Good day, Ma'am Malinaw. I am Barbie Jane Bitigoy, and today I will make a video reflection about CARP, taxation, and constitution. So here's the question. If you were a farmer or citizen, how would you improve CARP, taxation, or the constitution to better serve people? So what is CARP nga ba? It is the government program in the Philippines that gives land to farmers who do not own land. Its goal is to help farmers have their own farms so they can earn better and improve their lives. So if I were a farmer or ordinary citizens, I would want government programs and law to truly serve the people, not just exist on paper. Maraming Pilipino, lalo na ang mga magsasaka, ang patuloy na naghihirap kaya mahalagang pagbutihin ang CARP, pagbubuwis at ang konstitusyon para sa mas magandang kinabukasan. First, of the CARP, I would improve the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program or CARP by focusing not only on land distribution but also on long-term support. Magandang simula ang pagbibigay ng lupa pero hindi ito sapat. Kailangan ng mga magsasaka ng murang pautang, di kalidad na binhi, pataba at irigasyon at makabagong kagamitan. Dapat ding tulungan ng mga gobyerno ang mga magsasaka na direktang makipag-ugnayan sa mga mamimili para mas malaki ang kita at maiwasan ang hindi patas na middlemen. Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang pagsasanay nila upang sila'y matuto ng bagong paraan at makasabay sa pagbabago ng climate change. Kailangan din ng mahigit na pagpapatupad ng batas upang maiwasan ang pag-aagaw ng lupa at maprotektahan ang karapatan ng mga magsasaka. Fast and fair processing of land ownership documents is also important so farmers feel secure. Second, the taxation. So what is taxation nga ba? It is the system where the government collects money from people and businesses. This money is used to pay for public services like schools, hospitals, roads, and other government projects. So if I were an ordinary citizens, I would push for a system that is simple, fair, and transparent. Taxes should not be too heavy for poor families, while those who earn more should contribute more. Dapat magkaroon ng bawas buwis ang maliliit na magsasaka at negosyo upang umunlad sila. Dapat ipakita ng gobyerno kung saan napupunta ang buwis upang makita ng mga tao ang tunay na pagbabago sa kalsada, paaralan, hospital at agrikultura nila. Maaring gamitin ng digital system para mapadali ang pagbabayad ng buwis at mabawasan ang korupsyon. When people trust the system, they are more willing to pay taxes honestly. So third, what is Constitution? It is the highest law of a country. It contains the basic rules on how the government works and the rights of the people. All other law must follow the Constitution. So if I were an ordinary citizen, I would improve the Constitution by making it more inclusive and responsive to current needs. It should clearly protect farmers, workers, and small communities, not just big businesses. Dapat mas mahigpit ang batas laban sa korupsyon at pang-aabuso ng kapangyarihan. Na may tunay na parusa, the Constitution should also encourage citizens' participation, allowing people to have a stronger voice in decisions that affects their lives. Dapat ding palaganapin ang kaalaman tungkol sa karapatan at tungkulin upang maging aktibo ang mamamayan sa pamamahala. Also, I will promote unity between government and citizens. Programs should be created with the help of the people, especially farmers, because they understand their own needs. Listening to their voice will lead to better and more effective solutions. Improving CARP, taxation, and the Constitution requires not only better law but also proper implementation, honest, and cooperation. Kung maisasagawa ang mga pagbabagong ito, magkakaroon ng mas maraming oportunidad ang mga magsasaka at mamamayan, mas malakas ang boses at mas maayos ang pamumuhay nila. This will lead to a more just and progressive society for everyone. Also, I will support changes that make government more accountable and closer to the people. Dapat mas madaling mapanagot at mapalitan ang mga leader kung hindi nila nagagampanan ng maayos ang kanilang tungkulin or kanilang trabaho. There should be stronger protection for basic needs like food security, education, and healthcare. Stability and consistency will help both farmers and business grow. Dapat nauunawaan ng mga mamamayan ang kanilang mga karapatan, tungkulin at mga batas na nakakaapekto sa kanila. Kapag may sapat na kaalaman ng mga tao, mas nakakagawa sila ng tamang desisyon at nakakahingi ng mas maayos na pamamahala. This creates a stronger democracy where leaders truly serve the people. So that's all, Ma'am Malinaw. Once again, I am Barbie Jane Bitigoy from the IT1A.